everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1963 Oldsmobile Super 88. It is a holiday coupe. Bought it, guys, from a super nice gentleman out of North Carolina. I actually bought it in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Great guy. He's owned this car for 10 years. Really didn't want to sell it. Unfortunately, he had to sell it. Great car. Like I say, he's the one that was telling me about the holiday coupe. He said the top is just like a 62 Impala. He knew more about 63 Oldsmobiles than I did. I'll tell you that right now. Great car, though. A lot of cars, I always tell you this, you know, we put 5-10 miles on. This one, a buddy of mine, Scott from Tennessee, him and some guys that I was with at the show, they didn't have anything to drive. They drove this thing, probably put 250 miles on this car. Great car, runs and drives excellent. Good, solid North Carolina body. A ton of documentation, a ton of paperwork for this car. Like I say, great car. Bought it from a great guy. I know he said he was going to watch this video, and he really was. Just a good dude, and really had a nice car. I think this is called Willow Mist Green. It's got the white top. It's got the dark green interior. It's actually a tuck and rolled interior in it. Car has the original 392 V8 in it. It's got air that's been converted to R134, and like I say, a nice car. Older resto. I think he said it was done 15 years ago, so you're going to see some little nicks and chips. But like I say, very, very nice car. Chrome and stainless is nice. If I remember right, he said he bought new front and rear bumpers for it. Pretty paint. I love the color. Again, as you look at kind of some of the trim, you can nitpick it a little, but nice car, guys. There's just a little dust there. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. I like the two-tone with the white top. Again, you can see it's got that tuck and rolled interior in it. When we open up the trunk, it's just full of paperwork, extra parts, the original air cleaner's in there. Like I say, the trim and stainless is nice on the car, and it's original other than he changed the bumpers. I love the tail lights. And you can see some pitting on that original chrome. I dig this car, man. And like I say, fun car to drive. Nice and straight down the sides. I do believe he said it's got the original body panels on it. You can definitely tell those bumpers have been replaced. I love the little Oldsmobile insert piece there. Again, love the tail lights. That's just a little dust on them, guys. Again, you can see some touch-up marks. Yeah, I dig this car. It's different. A lot of fun to drive. Like I say, just a good car, and you don't see a lot of these. Brand new, I believe there's 17-inch chrome revs. He's got the spinner cap on it. Yeah, a little. Oh, that's something from us. It's a little dirt. It's got the factory. It's a drum brake car. The drum brakes have been redone, but it's power drums, power steering. He said it's the original 394. He just put a new aluminum radiator in it. Brand new Edelbrock 4-barrel, stock intake. Again, we got the factory air cleaner, and it's got the factory valve covers, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power brakes, and he's upgraded it to the dual master cylinder. This is the original paint in here. You look at that firewall and everything, that's your original paint. It is a factory air car converted to R134. It's got the original transmission in it with the reverse all the way at the bottom. You can see it's got your original clear view windshield washer bottle. Neat car. Yeah, a couple little dings here. This was the, and this is where he said the only little body work he said. You can see a little brake right there. Other than that, there's really not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car body wise. Yeah, this is a cool car, man. I dig it. What an A-pillar chrome is nice. He didn't just own this car, you know, he loved it. You could tell he loved this car. Original mirrors. I'd say these door handles are original. Again, I think this is your original paint in here. They've definitely redone this interior. Again, I think this is your original paint. Factory bench seat. I love the steering wheel. Headliner's nice. Showing 14,000. Man, I think he told me this car, I think that's supposed to be what's on the restoration, guys. Original steering wheel, so it's got a little patina there in your little plastic there. Aftermarket Sun Protect. I thought this was pretty cool. He said the factory gauges stopped working on them. So he put in, those are Autometer Pro Comp gauges. I thought that was really cool. You can see a little light under there working. It's got an aftermarket AM FM radio. That comes out. That's just a little center console, but might have been a couple of coffees in there when we were driving. This is original. Dual exhaust, factory rear end. Looks like it's got power rear antenna. Factory jack and spares in the trunk here. And then this is, like I say, I mean, he gave me anything extra he had. This is all the paperwork on this car. Restoration receipts, original owner's manual. Yeah, original owner's manual's in there. I haven't even had a chance to go through this stuff. Just any, like, this is a new rubber seal, but this was the original one, so you didn't want to take that out. There's your factory air cleaner. Yeah, just anything that he could collect over the years, he kept for this car. That's your original jack instructions and everything. I love the taillights. They look cool at night. I saw the boys in front of me. I was driving a 40 Ford pickup. It's clean underneath. Floors are nice. And those taillights look cool at night. Sorry guys, I think my guys got a little wax on there. Again, this is original. Oh, he put, it's got keyless entry, so, or not keyless entry, power locks. All works on a button. See how nice that dash is? That thing's a work of art. Again, that center console is removable if you don't like it. I put aftermarket seat belts in it. And showing a little wear. Oh, that A-pillar comb is really nice. Car just runs and drives excellent, guys. Oh, it's got your air works. Like I say, it blows ice cold, been converted to the new stuff. Nice car. Tach works, all your gauges up there work. Turn the power on, see if that rear antenna comes up. If it does or not. don't know if it even uses that. I don't know if I'd ever turn the radio on. Backup lights work. Again, reverses all the way down. That's a cool little car. Radio works. Just must not be working on that original antenna. Blower motor works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Look at that car out in the sunshine, man. Good looking car. Still cold, that's just steam, guys. Have a great day, guys.